Hello everyone, this is Tuhindra Chaudhary and I welcome you all to my channel French avec Tuhin. So guys, today we are going to talk about how to say how are you in French. So guys, as you all know, this is one of the most commonly asked questions in any language. In fact, when you meet a person for the first time or for any time, like even if you meet a friend any day, you have to ask how are they doing or how does he or she doing. So to say how are you, you can ask in two ways. One is formal, another one is informal. So firstly, I would like to give you how to ask the same question as formal way. To ask how are you, you have to say comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Could you repeat after me? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? So the literal meaning of this question is actually how are you doing? You are asking to someone like with whom you are meeting for the first time. You don't know him or her very well, so it's kind of formal conversation has to be taken place. So in this case, you're asking how are you doing, literally. But of course it is taken as how are you. There is another way to ask the same question formally as vous allez bien? Vous allez bien? Vous allez bien? Here again the meaning is same, how are you, and the literal meaning is also the same, like are you going good? It's actually the reverse of the question. So vous allez bien? Now I would like to give you how to ask the same question to your friends or to your loved ones or to your family members. Can you repeat after me? It's comment ça va? Comment ça va? Comment ça va? You can also ask the same question as ça va? Ça va? Guys, if you remember, I have given you in my first video that how to greet someone. So in fact in France I see here like people just meet as meet their colleagues and they say salut, ça va, bonjour, comment allez-vous? So you can ask like this to your friends as well. And even like it is one of the common questions that we ask whenever we meet a person for the first time in a day. So you have to ask like this. You can also ask as como vas-tu? This is really informal actually. So you don't ask this question to someone with whom you are meeting for the first time. You just ask this question this way to your friend or to your loved one or to your brother or sister maybe. So you just have to say like como vas-tu? Como vas-tu? And you can also ask, I think, as quoi de neuf? Quoi de neuf? Quoi de neuf? In French, basically, there is a habit of eating some words in between. So you can see as it is written as quoi de neuf. But while we speak, it's actually a colloquial way in French. We just eat up the words. So we eat up the alphabets, eat up the sounds. So it sounds like quoi de neuf? Quoi de neuf? Okay, guys. Now it's time for you to learn how to say the reply of how are you. So basically, in English, we say it as I'm fine, or I'm good, I'm doing good, or I'm going good. So in French, there are certain replies like this. First of all, let's say how do you say I'm going fine? So it's je vais bien. Je vais bien. Je vais bien. Try to repeat after me, guys. So it's je vais bien. And there is an informal way of replying this answer as well. So whenever someone asks you like ça va, so you can just say ça va bien, merci, merci. You should say ça va bien. You can also say as je suis en forme. Je suis en forme. Je suis en forme. The literal meaning of this is actually I'm in good shape, I'm in good form, I'm in good health. So je suis en forme. Someone if asks you like salut, ça va? So you just have to say like ça va bien et toi? Or ça va bien et vous? Okay? So it's like I'm doing good and you? So you're just asking them. So it's a good part of or good courtesy to ask someone like this. So guys, now it's revision time. So today we have learned about how to ask how are you in French. For formally, you have to ask like comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? And you can also ask like vous allez bien? Vous allez bien? Now for informal way, you can ask like comment ça va? Comment ça va? Or ça va, just ça va. Or you can also ask like quoi de neuf? Quoi de neuf? Quoi de neuf? Now the reply of this is going to be je vais bien, je vais bien, or ça va bien, ça va bien. Or you can also say je suis en forme, je suis en forme. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked today's video as well. So guys, please subscribe to my channel because there is going to be a lot more videos coming for you, and hit the bell button so that you will get my videos as soon as I upload it. Guys, if you have any doubt, please send me your text in the Instagram or you can mail me directly. And of course, I would like to give you a suggestion here. Please do make your notes while watching my video. You can pause the video, you can play it multiple times, and also repeat after I pronounce a sentence in French. Try to compare it with my pronunciation because you will have to work on your accent as well. It's very important. This is my suggestion, because if you just keep on watching and you are thinking that okay, I have watched the videos, but it's not going to work, it's not going to help you. So you just have to make your notes and repeat after my pronunciation. So this is the way to learn the language. So guys, now I end up today's session here. We are going to meet very soon in the next video. Till then, au revoir.